Hello. So I think I found another house. It's pretty cool, so I thought I would go in. Kind of has that French look to it. Tall windows. Well, there's not a whole lot of building going on, but there's some. As you can see, tall windows. As soon as you get in, a den with dual closets, 8-foot doorways. This is a nice house. That staircase, we'll go up there in just a minute. In the kitchen, you get this beautiful rib vault ceiling. Column. And looks like they had put an electrical plan in for the house. Columns. Kitchen. And then there's that extra bedroom with its door. Possibly has a bathroom in it by itself. I don't know if it's a bedroom or not. Actually, it doesn't have a closet. Alright, so hallway with a 2-car garage. And there's another garage out there that's freestanding. Alright, let's go into some of the other rooms. There's a tornado shelter. Looks like there's a pass-through bathroom. This closet. I don't know, this is an interesting layout right here. Yeah, no, this is the laundry room. Big window for a laundry room right in front. I'm guessing this is a closet, but it has a nice little pole sticking out. Don't have much time on this camera. Toilet, double sinks. Yeah, this is the master suite right back here. Big windows, tray ceiling, and family safe for the tornadoes. I'm sure that's a bathroom. Okay, let's go up those stairs, because this has a timer on it and I'm not sure how to work it. Alright, so there's this big area upstairs. Nice staircase there. Probably wrought iron. I'm impressed by those tall windows. Very nice. And there's the street out there where I just was. Walk-in closet, a bathroom. Yeah, this is a sink, toilet, bathtub, another sink, Jack and Jill. And then there's a lot of nice trees out back. This thing's got to adjust. 3 minutes. I think I can make it. Attic access, I think. Yep. Very important. So there are those 2 bedrooms. And then it looks like there's a bedroom back there. Here's another bedroom. Again, beautiful view. Big closet. Love that big closet. Its own bathroom. Okay, so I'm guessing there are 4 bedrooms up here. And I just like how the house is structured. It's all going to be hidden once the drywall's in, but that won't be too long. And there's a nice big closet in here. And then back there's just attic that I guess you can get to from the garage. Alright. So that was this house. Let's go out back, well, for the remaining time. I want to look at the back of this house, because I'm not in this area a lot, actually. I just happen to be, oh, nice fireplace. I just happen to be in this area. It's an obligation. I had my camera with me, so I just happened to find that they were building some houses here, so figured I would film. Because, you know, I like filming houses. I wanted to get the whole house in the shot. So the house actually has like it's like 6 bedrooms. No, 5 bedrooms. Because I don't know if I can count this as a bedroom because it doesn't have a closet, but and it only has a 2-car garage, but then it'll have 2 more car garage, right? That's by itself, it's freestanding. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it and you have a good day. All right, goodbye.